Now we are finally got to our last stop, the detergent powder workshop. So this area is the detergent powder that are just produced. And if we turn right, you will see like the detergents are being packed. And there are two. These are two small production lines. I go here. And it's very noisy inside here. And like I said, today is Sunday, so a lot of lines are not working. So this line is working, and this line is having a break. This line is working, I think. And this line is stopped. This line is working. Line working. So we have many different lines, and each line, sometimes they produce different products. Sometimes it's the same. And like I said, all the washing powders can be customized for you. So also we have so many production lines. You don't need to worry about that the product's delivery time will be delayed or anything. You can have a video of all this. And also, that's two lines of production line, right? And then another two small lines. We have more lines here. And those are also a storage place for the washing powder that are just produced. And here we have more lines. Oh, this is a very small package. It's being produced. And also this area we have production line too. And because it's Sunday, so a lot of them are not working. And those are production line too. And all these and anything else I think I need to introduce that I didn't? Basically, I think I covered everything. And also, whenever I have time, I will try to do some live stream. If you are interested, you can see it in via live. But basically, I think today I covered everything, just not the liquid detergent workshop, because that's closed Sunday. But I did the live the other day. Okay, I hope this video is not too long. I will cut it and edit a little bit. Thank you. Bye-bye.